Kim Kardashian quotes on life and success. If you can't handle being criticized, don't do anything new or interesting. You never know what the future holds or where life will take you. I'm just a girl who wants everyone to be as happy as I am. I love when people underestimate me and then become pleasantly surprised. It's important to take time for yourself and find clarity. The most important relationship is the one you have with yourself. You have to stay humble because you never know what might happen. You don't have to have it all figured out to move forward. I've learned to always take the high road and stay true to myself. Kim Kardashian quotes on beauty and fashion. It's not about having the perfect body, it's about being the best version of yourself. I've always believed that if you feel confident, you look confident. There's no such thing as too much contouring. Selfies are my art form. I take them when I feel good about myself. Fashion is an expression of who you are. It's your message to the world. I don't mind being a canvas for my makeup artist. We create together. A great outfit can change your whole mood. Kim Kardashian quotes on family and relationships. Family is everything. It's who you are and where you come from. My kids are my world. They teach me more than I teach them. You don't need everyone to like you, just the people who matter most. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices for the people you love. I've always been fiercely loyal to the people I care about. You can't control what people say about you, but you can control how you react. Relationships take work, but they're worth it. Kim Kardashian quotes on fame and criticism. I'm not afraid of my flaws. They make me who I am. People are going to judge you no matter what, so do what makes you happy. Being famous is not as glamorous as it seems. It's a lot of hard work. Social media is just a highlight reel. Real life happens off camera. You don't get to choose what people say about you, but you do. Choose how you let it affect you. Criticism doesn't define me, my actions do. Kim Kardashian quotes on business and ambition. I work really hard. Nothing comes easy, and I wouldn't want it to. I see opportunities where others see challenges. Don't be afraid to take risks. That's where growth happens. I've learned to trust my instincts in business. Your brand is your reputation. Protect it at all costs. Success is about dedication and resilience. I'm not just a reality star. I'm a businesswoman with a vision.